This is Jack and Casey, and this is their new Snoo, the smartest baby bed ever made. Sorry. So, your new parents, boy or girl?
A girl, 2 months.
Her name's Ruby.
I gotta say, you two seem pretty well rested. Ruby must be a good sleeper.
Well, she is now.
Should have seen us a few weeks ago. Thanks for making the coffee, hon.
I didn't make coffee. Hello?
But then
we heard about Snoo.
Snoo is a new innovation from the doctor who created the 5 S's. It helps all night to lessen crying and boost sleep. Snoo's fast and easy 5-second swaddle keeps even little Houdini babies nice and snug.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Right? I think it's the nicest thing in our house.
The special swaddle wings keep your baby on the back, which makes Snoo not just the smartest baby bed ever made, but the safest too. Like your own personal night nurse, Snoo quickly responds to cries with the extra white noise and motion your baby loved in the womb.
This changes everything.
Snoo helps us all get a little more sleep.
Which keeps things a lot more sane around here.
I think we're really getting the hang of this.
Well done, you two. Sorry, I'll just be going now.
Hi. Hi, I'm Jordan. My mommy and daddy are not good at feeding me baby bottles. I need to wait forever. It was even worse when I was away from home. So daddy made pop them and it was really cool. Better at home. It's better away from home. It's better at daycare. There's no VPA. What is VPA anyway? So that's Popdom. It's really cool. Check it out.
Jenna and Dale are young parents, and they believe that they and their babies are on the same page. They are not. And sometimes this happens.
Oh, look at you, all not washed and cold.
Alright, we got this. We're just taking a break. Oh no.
Introducing the new Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
Oh, that can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about her symptoms, you can consult the app.
Babe, I think she has I can't pronounce it, but it seems serious.
And if you want an easy confirmation, simply send the data from the app to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay, yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
Daddy, I think you're sick.
Now pull out the latch belts from both sides of the base. Click them onto the metal latch anchors on each side of the vehicle seat.
Latch connection confirmed. Leveling. Leveling complete. Tensioning. Tensioning complete. Installation verified. Continuous monitoring on.